We sometimes think that we've come here because we saw a post online, we saw it on Instagram, we saw it on Facebook, but the truth is, there's a karam inside of us, there's something inside of us. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji Ji takes our arm and brings us here. Ape sangat sad bahale, ape vida karave. To be in the Guru sanctuary means that show me, tell me, how do I live a disciplined life? Give me your wrath. I'm asking for your wrath, I'm asking for your discipline. And that's what we're going to be learning throughout these few days in the camp.
We're blessed to be sitting in Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj Ji's warm lap in the sanctuary, where even the worst and the worst of sinners are blessed. Even they were humbled in this darbar.
When you see people sitting down together in the Langar hall, you've got all these random people from around the world sitting together, and they're having a good conversation, and there's just love between them. And it's nice to see, right? Because where there's love and there's satgar for each other, just a nice relationship, you feel much closer to each other, but you feel much closer to Waheguru, right? So it's very blessed, and that's what's nice about coming to these camps, is that everyone gets along. And then when they leave the camp, then they feel more inspired to take something away.
Do the ardaas that when we leave the camp, whatever tools we obtained, that they go with us and that we apply them practically in our lives, such that we don't live our life in regret. This breath that you're taking in right now is your opportunity. This is your time to do that ardaas. This is the time to change your life. This is the time to change things around for yourself.